to draw a police officer, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to draw a cop, also known as a police officer. For the first step, we're going to go ahead and draw this line going from left to right, which will be the first portion of the hat. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw a line going from left to right underneath the one that we just drew. This will make the front portion of the hat. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like this one. So if you're looking for a new place to draw, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. So now that we have the first portion of the hat drawn, now let's go ahead and draw the top portion. Be sure to pause or rewind the video if you need to if I ever go too fast. In the top center area of the hat that we just finished drawing, we're going to go ahead and draw a badge symbol. The top portion of the badge symbol will look similar to a letter W. Well done! Now we are all done drawing the hat of our police officer. For the next step, we're going to go ahead and draw the outline of the face. We're going to begin by drawing a line that will connect from the left side of the hat that we just drew all the way over to the right. Fantastic! Next, we're going to want to add some detail to the face, including the nose and the ears next. So let's draw a small letter C for the nose. Now let's draw the ears on the outside of the head of our cop. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, let's go ahead and draw the hairline of our police officer. Let's draw two lines that will connect from the outline of the head to the hat. Fantastic! Now let's draw the eyes. For the first step of drawing the eyes, let's draw two simple circles to the left and right side of the nose. Now, on the inside of the circles that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw two smaller circles. These two smaller circles will be the pupils. In the larger space, we will fill this in completely black. Well done! Now we are all done drawing the head. For the next step, we're going to go right below the head and we're going to begin drawing the lower body. We're going to begin by drawing the torso. Be sure to pause or rewind as you need to. On the inside of the shape that we just drew, attached to the head, we're now going to go ahead and draw a tie. Now, on the left and right hand side of the tie that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw our officer's name badge along with the regular badge on the right hand side. Nicely done, so far this is coming along great. Now let's go ahead and draw the arms along with the hands on the left and right hand side of the body. Also, keep in mind that at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing fully colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Once we are all done drawing the arms and the hands, the next step will be to draw the legs along with the feet. Last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and draw the belt. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a police officer. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.